Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
Start by weighing ingredients precisely. 500 g bread flour, 10 g salt, 50 g sugar, and 10 g instant yeast for reliable rise. Pour 300 g cold water and mix gently until the dough is shaggy. Add 40 g softened unsalted butter and fold until incorporated. The dough should be cohesive but not smooth. Knead by hand 3 to 4 minutes to develop minimal gluten. This keeps the dough extensible for laminating later. Shape into a disc, wrap in plastic, and chill 30 minutes to relax the gluten before adding the butter block. Make a butter block of 250 g cold unsalted butter. Pound and shape it to about 20 cm by 15 cm and roughly 1 cm thick. Keep it cold but pliable. Roll the chilled dough to a 25 cm by 20 cm rectangle, center the butter, and fold the dough over to encase the butter completely. Perform a single letter fold, rotate 90 degrees, then roll and repeat 2 more single folds for a total of 3 folds. Rest and chill the dough for 30 minutes between fold sets to keep layers distinct and butter firm. After the final chill, roll the laminated dough to about 40 cm by 30 cm and trim edges. Cut triangles roughly 10 cm wide by 18 cm tall and score a small slit at the base for controlled stretching. Stretch each triangle gently, roll from base to tip, tuck the tip under, and place on a baking tray seam side down. Proof at 26°C for 90 to 120 minutes until puffy and slightly jiggly. Avoid overproofing to keep flakiness. Brush with egg wash and bake at 200°C for 12 to 16 minutes until deep golden.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.